Please be seated. The court received a note from the jury that reads as follows. How do we proceed when we've reached the conclusion that there will not be a unanimous vote? In situations like this, the court reads another instruction to the jury. It reads as follows. You have returned from deliberations indicating you believe you cannot reach a verdict. I'm going to ask you to please return to the jury room tomorrow and resume your deliberations in the hope that after further discussion, you will be able to reach a verdict. As you deliberate, please keep in mind the guidelines I gave you earlier. Remember, it is your duty to consult with your fellow jurors and try to reach agreement, if you can do so without violating your own judgment. To return a verdict, you must all agree, and the verdict must represent the judgment of each of you. As you deliberate, you should carefully and seriously consider the views of your fellow jurors. Talk things over in a spirit of fairness and frankness. Naturally, there will be differences of opinion. You should each not only express your opinion, but also give the facts and the reasons on which you base it. By reasoning the matters out, jurors can often reach agreement. If you think it will be helpful, you may submit to the law clerk a written list of the issues that are dividing or confusing you. It will then be submitted to me. I will attempt to clarify and amplify the instructions in order to assist you in your further deliberations. When you continue your deliberations, do not hesitate to rethink your own views and change your opinion if you decide it was wrong. However, none of you should give up your own honest beliefs about the weight or effect of the evidence only because of what your fellow jurors think, or only for the sake of reaching agreement. It is now a little after 5, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to break for the evening. Once again, don't discuss the case among yourselves, nor with anyone else, nor watch any news reports or read any news reports concerning this trial. Have a good evening. It's been a long day for you all. We'll see you back tomorrow at 9 a.m. Please be seated. The record will reflect the jury is not present at this time. Anything for the record, Mr. Fedora?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. O'Farrell?
No, Your Honor.
We will stand in recess until tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. And for the deputies, you don't not need to bring the defendant over at 9 a.m. in the morning, okay? If we need him, we'll let you know when you should have him here.